When can you buy Tesla? Today, I'm going to give you the exact strategy how to buy Tesla right now. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend if you want to make more money. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to make more money. Click like, subscribe, and share with the friend. Okay, and stay until the end because I will give you a small bonus of the small promotion. Okay, so now we look at Tesla. So far, we have the oversold signal with the RSI under 30. This is a daily chart. Okay, so I'm not telling you to buy right now because we haven't formed a buy signal yet. I have so many friends message me. Should they buy around 200, like it was dropping like around 240. They were waiting so long. Is it time to buy? Time to buy? I tell them, wait, because it's no yet the buy signal, right? Remember? So with our strategy, you can check our previous video. Even I say there's a support, the gap here, right? Remember, we have a gap here, around here, 240, okay? And even 220, we have a gap and also the moving average 60. So I did mention it's possible, 70% is possible, it is a support, okay? But I also mentioned it's not yet fresh the buying signal. We need to have a candle to confirm. And so far, we don't have candle to confirm and they even drop below. So you see, this is all the way the red candle, okay? So we don't have candle to confirm to buy. So suppose you shouldn't have any Tesla stock if you follow our strategy. Okay, again, this video is just for education purpose. Today I'm going to tell you how to buy with this oversold signal. So in my previous video, I also mentioned how to buy with the RSI. Very, very easy strategy. So what happened is we just need RSI under 30. When they go up across this 30, and this one fresh a green candle, this is a buy signal. Okay, and suppose the green candle is not too small. Suppose it's quite a big one, like minimum 2%. Okay, minimum. The best is like 4%, even 4% the best. Okay, so we need to have a signal to confirm. So can they go lower? Yes, because they just entered the oversold zone. Look at here in Tesla history. Look, if you buy when they just below 30, let's say you buy here, right? They can go lower. Okay, because there's no signal to confirm you can buy. You need to have a buy signal, okay? So even they touch 30, some people will buy here, and then they drop again, okay? If you buy here, when they touch 30, you say, just almost there. No, you wait because they can drop further, okay? The RSI can turn around to drop further, okay? So we just need to have the RSI go above this 30 to form a green candle to confirm the signal, okay? So in Tesla history, I want to show you how good is this strategy, how much money you can make. So when they touch 30, they go up, they go across. The first one, they go up by 15%. The second one here, they go up by 27%, okay? So here they go up, here they form another RSI, go above, they go below 30, they go above 30 again. So if you buy here is 13%, here is 19%, and another one is 10% here. So you see here, and the other one here, it form 85%. And this one here, they form 96%. So some people will ask, so how to know when is the big increase or small increase? So today I also give you a trick. This one is easy. It's free indicator called gap, or you just look with your eyes, right? So when they have a jump up, look here, they don't have a gap up. Gap mean a strong momentum to go up, okay? So how to say this is a strong momentum? Within 3 days, they don't come back to the gap zone. This is strong. Okay, so look at this. Do they have a gap? No. So 15%. Do they have a gap? No. So 27%, okay? The gap happened here. The gap happened here. So look at the RSI when they go above 30. When they have no gap, it's just a small rebounds, small rebounds. When they have a gap, this one have free gap, 1, 2, 3. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3. So they go up 85%. Here, they go above 30. 1, 2, they go up by 96%. This is not me make up the figure. This is the facts from the chart. Don't argue with me. The indicator suck. Okay, don't argue with me. The indicator is bad because this is the facts. You need to learn from the indicator. The indicator can tell you what's going on, and the best is you can pair up the indicator. You don't use single one indicator. Okay, so now we have the oversold signal. So we just need to wait confirmation, okay? But be careful about the resistance because the gap can form a resistance. So we have few resistance here, okay? So this is a strategy to buy. And then another strategy, I just tell you how to see this is a big increase or small increase. The first thing I want to remind you is the resistance, okay? So resistance could be one of the selling target, okay? Remember, I have mentioned Tesla is still going downward. It's still in a downward trend. So you need to be careful. This one could be a small rebound. Okay, so I've also mentioned in my previous video, September will be a fluctuating market, up or sideways. Okay, so up and down. So you need to be careful. If you want to make small profit, it's fine. If you want to make big profit, you need to be careful about how much you put the money in. Okay, don't put too much or don't do margin because it could be a small rebound. We form A, B, C to go further down. Okay, so this is Tesla. But this is a very easy strategy. You don't need to buy any other indicator to see this. And this one, I make many times the profit from this strategy. So you can do this also. Okay, so also one thing, like many friends, when the price drop, they say buy, 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 buy. Some of them they buy because they thought it's the price and then they didn't expect to go downward. So you need to have strategy. What if? You need to ask yourself, what if they go opposite direction? What if? What will you do? Will you cut loss? What will you do? So you need to ask your strategy. So one thing is like this. Another thing is never only look at the price. Remember, you need to look at the space also. What is the buy signal? Some people, when they drop in the zone, they start to buy. Is a good strategy? No, you need to have a confirmation, a buy signal. Okay. So so basically last time we don't have a buy signal form. Even they drop into the zone, we could buy, but we didn't buy because there's no buy signal. Okay. So if you follow my channel, basically you can avoid this kind of loss. Okay, so I'm not saying my method is 100%. There's no method is 100%, but the method can go up to 70%. Okay, which is quite a good ratio. So if you buy 10 times, you win 7 times, and you cut loss, you have a cut loss, very limited cut loss. So every time, let's say 70%, 7 win, and then you just let the profit to go ahead to run. So you have unlimited profit, but limited loss. In long term, you will win. Okay, I never say my strategy is 100%. There's no strategy 100%. For this strategy, I need to teach you how to cut loss as well, because for most of you, you did not subscribe to my indicator, or you don't know how to sell. You need to know how to cut loss minimum. Okay, so now look at here. Okay, so let's say if you bought here, right, the RSI bumps up, you buy, yeah, you make 15%, but they go back downward, they go lower. So what happened is you use the candle you bought, the lowest price as a cut loss price. Okay, so basically you cut loss here. Okay, you understand? So the candle you bought, the lowest price is your cut loss price. So let's say you bought here or here, right here. And then this price is a cut loss price. So did they drop below this cut loss price? No, so keep it. Go up. Okay. And how to sell this strategy? You have a sell signal here. Okay. Don't say I didn't remind you. Okay, so not every single time they go all the way up to the top though, okay? But when you see the top, this is one of the strategy to sell, okay? So today I teach you how to buy, how to cut loss, and how to see this is a big trend up or not. Okay, now we look at Nasdaq. Oh, here. Here, Nasdaq. Okay, so far we are close to 30, but not yet 30. This one is about 32. 32. So what happened is if you look at Nasdaq, this is the RSI below. And if you look at the history, basically, even when they around 32, basically it's quite low already. You see here, one of the critical low here and low here, low here, low here, and another low here. Low, okay, low, and here is another low, and here we hit this price. So can they form a support and go up? We can look forward, but of course it's not yet 30, but it's possible we already hit the critical point. Okay, I'm not saying it will rebound right now. I never say that, but I say you need to be careful if for those of you who short the index because it's very low already. It's very oversold. So I want to remind you, don't short the Nasdaq or S&P, okay? Because it's the risk is too high, the reward is too small. Okay, so this is my update today, and follow my channel, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And I have a bonus here right now. So you join my email list and give me 2 symbols of your stock. I will send you an email with my indicator to tell you what is your stock. What does it look like? Okay, so if you follow my channel, you should understand this indicator, and I have another 2 indicator to tell you the funding is going in or going out. Okay, and actually in my indicator bundle, I have more than 2 indicator to tell you more thing, but I try to make it simple to teach you one by one. So today I teach you the strategy you can use without the indicator. Very easy. Okay, so grab your chance and have a happy weekend and see you next time. Bye bye.